traders, welcome to the TMT stock market strategy video for Tuesday, August 30th. Okay, guys, so we did get a nice little push up yesterday, right on the opening. Markets ripped to the upside and then consolidated all day, and that's really what we've been getting of late. One move in the morning, and if you're not long going into the day, you basically miss that move because you're not really looking to start chasing any type of moves like that, or anything for that matter, even to the downside. So, doing our analysis work last night, we are, I hate to say it, at a neutral state in the markets. I'm not going to get into a lot of these indicators because really there still hasn't been much of a change. TMT trading model right now is leaning more to the sell side, but yesterday's push up alleviated some of the sell signals. So that means that we're still leaning to a sell signal. We haven't triggered a sell signal yet, so now it's going back and forth. And with the help of yesterday's push, it alleviated some of those signals. So right now, I'm going to really call this a neutral state, guys. We're coming into a holiday weekend here in the United States. It doesn't look like we're going to get any type of volatility at all, and it's going to have to be sometime next week or even the week after, for that matter, because a lot of the big traders they start to come back next week, and we're talking maybe Wednesday or Thursday. So we have this week and next week to really contend with as far as trading is concerned. So all right, right to it, guys. McClellan oscillator really here, neutral state. Energy is building. You can see that in the Bollinger Bands. They're starting to really pinch here. Again, doesn't tell you what direction. It just, once it does go, it's going to go with plenty of room to run before it becomes overbought, and same here before we become oversold. Okay, looking for that oversold bounce or that sell if we were to get up to these areas. Okay, next let's get right into the precious metals. GLD held in there today. I'm looking at lower prices. I'm still looking at this double top formation target area of 120.50. We showed these to you already, and if you like these value areas, guys, take a look at the premium video. $49. And it's going up. So we get a lot of response. We got a lot of good subscribers there that are doing well with it, and it gives you good areas to buy and to areas to sell. So check it out. I'm sure you'll really appreciate that. SLV, which is a silver ETF, you can see that here. We're really close to that 50% target, which actually is that double top formation. And it coincides nicely with you can see with the Fibonacci retracements. I like the 61.8% to start really looking in for a buy area. But look at these volume zones here. We could actually flush all the way back down here to this area. So I'm not really I'm going to be really patient with this, but I do believe that the precious metals, gold, silver, really have gone into a second stage bull market. So let's take a look at the GDX. And then you can see here now in GDX, we had the first target hit. We basically hit the second target of 50% retracement. I'm looking for that 61.8 right around the 25.30 area, and then we will look to reevaluate it. But you can see here our indicators are kind of getting to be in the washout level. So I think it's going to take a little time, a little basing before it starts to break a little bit more. I would love to see somewhere around 18, 19, $20 into this consolidation zone. That's easy. You can see here we have very, very big supply here. So this is going to be big support right around the 19 area. If we ever were to get that, now it's far away, guys. I don't suspect it happening overnight, obviously. But any washout, and I mean any washout in the GDX or GLD, if you're looking to get into gold, that's going to be your time to start nibbling into that area. All right, let's take a look at the indices. You could see yesterday, Friday's low is going to be really important at 216.12 in the spiders. We did get back above it, but we're still looking for dollar increments here. 217.20 was the support. We still have that low to contend with, but then you got 215.50 and 214.50. We lose 214.50, we'll see 210 rather quickly. But again, you could see in this crazy environment that we've been in, pretty much July and August were two huge consolidation months. It was really terrible trading. You could see that here. We really haven't gone anywhere. Volatility just literally just dropped and died. 60-minute spiders, a bearish rising wedge. We had that little area here, a 215.93. You could see that that we got really close to it, maybe 20 cents. That's pretty close for the bearish rising wedge here, and then we pop back up. This area here, 219, is going to be very important. It's going to need to break and hold. Give me 2 days above that, 219, and I think we go to higher prices, at least to the 220 area. IWM daily, you can see here, we're still hugging that 21 day moving average here on the daily chart. But you could see that momentum is waning here. You could see that as we're moving up. So we do have some daily market divergence here. Okay, you could see that from here. And then obviously we are just kind of stagnant in the RSI. So relative strength really not doing much. If anything, starting to curl lower here. Okay, and that's the IWM. Then the transports, still below that horizontal area of resistance and just peaked above this downtrend trend line. All right, but you could see here that we're curling over again. So the transports, our leader, really isn't doing too much, guys, and that's not a good sign for price for the markets to come. I do believe that if we get the transports to really sell off, the markets do sell off. But again, watch the Bollinger Bands. You see how tight they are on the daily chart. So energy is building in these markets. It's going to have a big move one way or the other, guys. Take a look at the Qs. Last is the Qs, and you can see here that that 116.30 highlight is going to be really important. That really needs to get going. Break that low, and if we take that low out, we'll get the gap fill area here to the 115.75, and then your next area would be 115, which is the top of our TMT proprietary price channels. Hope it helps, guys. I know it's a little less information, but again, this is what we're dealing with where markets are consolidating for 2 straight months. It looks like we're going to go right out of August doing nothing. So be patient. Believe me, volatility's coming. It's going to create tremendous opportunity going into September and, of course, the fourth quarter. Have a great day, everybody.